And lunch and dinner done for the next 2 days. This is a recipe that I loosely followed. Of course, I didn't do the chicken or the flour, but I used from the teaspoon down. And then, of course, the instructions. That's how you make your own. That's the first time I made Alfredo sauce. It was actually a lot easier than I thought. I'll show you. Let's go. Okay. Welcome to my little country kitchen. My name's Marianne. My son and I are going to have a contest.
You're having a contest.
Yes.
I just want food.
I'm having a contest. So he buys these skillet meals, which are ridiculously priced. They're probably like $12, I bet you. Maybe even 15. I'm going to go look it up and I'll put it right here. This is the cost of this stupid little thing, which only feeds 2 people. It's 1.5 ounces of noodles, chicken, and veggies. And then the sauce, which she's melting right now. So I'm going to make my homemade one, and we'll see and compare which one tastes better. Join me. Okay. Look, I even have penny noodles. Cute. This only cost me like $1.25. Maybe $2.
And this was $3.99. Mom?
Why'd you just use such a small pan?
Because it fits in here.
I need to switch the spots the whole time. Okay. I'm going to have to make my own Alfredo sauce, but that's alright.
That's a lot of oil.
I'm making quadruple the batch that you are, which is why I'm using the bigger pan.
Better be good.
It will be. Alright, fine. Using my freeze-dried garlic. That's satisfying.
Yeah, it is. I don't think I like cooking so much.
It's relaxing for you?
Oh, very satisfying.
My freeze-dried.
It's more so just a satisfying.
My freeze-dried onions. No. We needed to use this whipping cream, so this works. Oh, I was like, why did mine not even?
I did that.
That was fast.
Yeah, I did that because of that.
Thank you. You saved it.
Yes.
I'd have cried if I had to start over.
I know.
Okay, I'll open.
Another one?
No.
Don't cuddle it.
Oh, yeah, low.
That's what I said.
Wow, that smells awesome.
What?
Mine.
Oh, I was like,
My onions and garlic.
the onions and the garlic are what smell good on yours. That smells freaking delicious.
There we go. It is better right here.
I told you.
Yeah, this is a one-cook kitchen.
Told ya.
And pepper. Yeah, you slowly boil, bring cream up to temp. It'll thicken.
Yeah, I did it way too fast when I made mine.
Oh yeah. it to a medium heat now. And I can add my freeze-dried Parmesan.
You freeze-dried Parmesan too?
Yep. I bought a huge thing from Costco and blended it all up. Cook until sauce is bubbly and slightly. Actually gonna move my noodles. So that's already. It's taking forever. Okay. Doo, 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 doo. Back once this warms up. Just more salt and pepper. Now that the water's boiling, dump in a whole pound of baby mini penne. Canned turkey in the fridge that I wanted to use up. So we're going to use that. So now this is turkey penne Alfredo. Hey, puppy. You hungry? Puppy? You hungry? Hungry, baby? Okay, let's go find your bowl. When I make Alfredo sauce, usually like out of a jar, I usually put onion pesto in it, or any kind of pesto to make it. I made this back in May of last year, so it just needs a couple spoons. That's onions, garlic, olive oil. It's like a flavor bomb. It'll give it a lot of good flavor. And it needs that, just that little something, that oomph. Oh, the noodle should be done. When you don't know when something's missing, add a pesto. Usually does the trick. And I love having all these prepared things on my shelf from last year, so I can throw an Alfredo together really quick. Okay, that's hot. I'm seeing if my noodles are al dente. There we go. That's exactly what it needed. And if your sauce was a little too thick, adding some of the noodle juice would help thin that out. I'm just going to mix all this up. It's probably well over 2 pounds of food now. For the same amount that my son paid just to feed 2 people, I can feed at least 6. And it's all homemade, so it's more satisfying. Oh, and I even could have used more sauce. Okay, I'm going to taste a noodle, make sure that they're done. Yes, they are. Okay. Turn off the heat, and we'll plate up. Awesome. Hey, let's taste. Doesn't that look amazing? Way better. Yummier too. Let's see. Let's get a little bite of everything. Some meat, some noodles, the veg. Still steamy. That's awesome, and it has a perfect balance of vegetable to noodle, because the package didn't. The package had way too many vegetables and not enough noodles and chicken, so I could have added a whole nother can of turkey, but I only had a little one, so a pint would have been better instead of a little half pint, but this will do, because it was already in the fridge and I just wanted to clear stuff off. So I cleared out 3 things out of the fridge, 1 out of the freezer, and then all the other stuff was shelf stable. So awesome. If he comes back in eventually, then I'll let him taste it too. But what do you think, Craig? My official taste tester.
Yummy.
Yummy, but
I like it saucier.
I know. I realized that. I'm like, oh, I wish I would have made more sauce. I could have used that entire thing of cream. Next time I know. Because I was just guessing on the measurements.
Yummy.
Isn't that better than the package?
Except the meat. It's weird.
Oh, yeah. Because it's canned.
Exactly my point.
Yeah, if it would have been grilled, it would have been really awesome. But quick dinner in 20 minutes. As you keep eating. Yeah, that'll feed me at least 8 times. Only feed you 3 times?
Maybe 3 or 4. 5 is stretching it.
Because you're a horse.
Wow.
Thank you for joining me in my little country kitchen. I'll see you next week.